Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your GMC Acadia into neutral using its specific override method. This particular procedure is crucial for situations like flat towing or when your vehicle experiences a complete loss of electrical power. It is not the everyday way to select neutral, but rather a specialized function. Always ensure your vehicle is in a safe, controlled environment before attempting this process. And remember to consult your owner's manual for model-specific details. To begin, make sure your Acadia is on a level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Next, you will need to access the manual release mechanism. Gently but firmly lift the leather or plastic shifter boot surrounding your electronic gear selector. This usually involves prying it up from the edges. Once the boot is lifted, you will see a small button or lever underneath, typically white or a contrasting color, which is your manual override. With the manual release exposed, press and hold down this button or lever. While keeping it depressed, simultaneously move your electronic gear shifter into the N or neutral position. You should feel the shifter engage. Look at your instrument cluster or infotainment screen to confirm that the vehicle's display indicates neutral is selected. This confirms the transmission is now disengaged, allowing the wheels to spin freely. After successfully placing your Acadia into neutral using the override, it is absolutely critical to re-engage the parking brake if you plan to exit the vehicle. Never leave a vehicle unattended in neutral without proper securing. If you are preparing for towing, ensure all towing equipment is correctly attached. Once the procedure is complete, carefully push the shifter boot back into its original position until it clicks securely into place. Always prioritize safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.